Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Kilburn II wireless Bluetooth speaker and you're trying to pair it with your iPhone, with your Android, with a laptop, a tablet, computer, etc. To any kind of Bluetooth device. Now you might be trying to pair something for the first time, or you might be trying to pair something new, or it might be pairing to something you don't want it to and not pairing to the thing you want, and you're trying to get the thing you want priority, because basically this will store two different devices, and when you turn it on, it will automatically try to connect with whatever it was connected with most recently. So we might need to move one device up so that it connects to that. But basically it's really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure it's on, make sure the dial's turned on. We're just going to come and press and hold the Bluetooth button here for 2 seconds until this light starts to blink here. Once the light starts to blink, it's in discovery mode, so we can go on our phone, on whatever, and go to the list of Bluetooth available devices and then select this Kilburn II speaker from that. And from there, it should automatically pair to that device. And now this is now our primary device, so when we turn it off and turn it back on, it will automatically connect to this phone or whatever. So hopefully this fixed your issue and you've got it paired. If you're still having issues with it refusing to pair or not pairing to the right thing, you can try doing a factory reset on it, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. But anyways, if this got your problem fixed or if it helped you figure it out, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.